I'm actually glad I'm going with Prince Theodore instead of Nate. The further we get from the breakup, the more self-involved I see he was.
Self.
The further we get from the breakup, the more self-involved I see he was.
Is all a girl could ask for. It's gorgeous and formal and totally legendary.
Don't forget out of touch and totally classic.
Totally.
Legendary.
Don't forget out of touch and totally classic. Classist.
And if that's how you feel, then why are you even going?
I'm not going. And neither is Serena, actually. I'm just going to meet her grandmother and make a good impression.
Impression.
Serena, actually. I'm just going to meet her grandmother and make a good impression.
Some rosé in the back of a town car, but with the prince, I get a security detail and a high-speed chase to the Pierre after it's over.
Chase.
I get a security detail and a high-speed chase to the Pierre after it's over.
I found out she used to be my boyfriend's father's biggest fan.
Yeah.
Ew, it sounds so gross when you say it out loud.
Silly me here actually thought you wanted to go.
I'm here with
Silly.
when you say it out loud.
Silly me here actually thought you wanted to go.
I'm here with...
I'm coming. Jenny? Why don't you volunteer?
Volunteer.
Jenny? Why don't you volunteer?
Free of charge.
The cotillion teaches the good graces that women should always have in their arsenal.
I think Serena's graces are pretty spectacular.
Spectacular.
Their arsenal.
I think Serena's graces are pretty spectacular.
Find out. I don't want anyone to. You'd have to learn how to behave yourself first.
Behave.
You'd have to learn how to behave yourself first.
Reason to hate me.
True. Keep going.
And the prince, he's he's a great dancer and all.
Dancer.
He's, he's a great dancer and all. I just pulled it out today and I found this.
It's my pin. I sewed it there so you'd always...
Pin.
I sewed it there so you'd always...
I went thrift store shopping, and I found great stuff. I got you some
Stuff.
great stuff. I got you some...
That reminds me, I still haven't showed you pictures from my summer abroad.
Oh, yes.
Abroad.
Summer abroad.
Oh, yes.
I think they found something.
Something? What's something?
Something in my lungs.
Lung.
My lungs. I didn't want to worry you. I don't want to be a burden to you.
Oh, no, it's no burden at all.
All I want to...
Burden.
Oh, it's no burden at all.
All I want...
Ina Vanderwoodson, looks like your invitation just arrived, with strings attached. Come out wherever.
String.
Strings attached. Come out wherever.
It's me. Unexpected. Mom, can I talk to you for a minute? No, sweetie. We'll have plenty of time to talk later.
Plenty.
We'll have plenty of time to talk later.
Your escort for tomorrow night.
Did you two already know each other?
Actually, we used to go to school together, just a couple years apart.
Oh.
Hi.
Apart.
Just a couple years apart.
Oh.
Hi. In all honesty, I did go a little out of bounds. Just grateful my parents were giving me a second chance.
Carter saw the
Grateful. Grateful.
Grateful my parents for giving me a second chance.
Carter saw the He rose like a phoenix from the ashes, Serena.
Yes, I see that, Grandma.
I mean, they weren't all errors, but
Well, you're
Error. Error.
I mean, they weren't all errors, but
Well, your mother did tell me that you got into a bit of a scrape in Dubai.
Oh, I love Dubai. Did you stay at the Burj Al Arab?
no, I stayed on.
Arab. Arab.
Oh, I love Dubai. Did you stay at the Burj Al Arab?
No, I stayed on.
Oh, I love Dubai. Did you stay at the Burj Al Arab?
No, I stayed on Palm Island.
Palm. Palm.
No, I stayed on Palm Island.
I just don't get it. I organized everything the way she likes it. I mean, I even made sure my bow tie matched her dress. Like the book says she...
Bow. Bow.
I mean, I even made sure my bow tie matched her dress. Like the book says she...
Basin is on his way here right now.
What the hell are you doing with Carter Payson?
He left his jacket here yesterday, and
Jacket. Jacket.
His jacket here yesterday, and
There's no point in being presented if it's improperly, and your Daniel is not a proper companion for a girl like Serena.
Companion. Companion.
Your Daniel is not a proper companion for a girl like Serena. I am willing to purchase all the paintings in this gallery in exchange for you convincing your son not to accompany Serena.
Accompany. Accompany.
Convincing your son not to accompany Serena. The money could be useful now. Not to mention how much this sale would mean to your wife's career.
Sale. Sale.
Mention how much this sale would mean to your wife's career.
And rest assured that, like me, my son can't be bought.
I can assure you, just like
Assure. Assure.
I can assure you, just like. It took me years to restore our family name after your exploits. Trust me, you don't want to do the same.
Trust. Trust.
Trust me, you don't want to do the same.
what?
You know, your brother, Dan, the guy who thinks dancing is making fists and pumping them into the air.
Dan's going to the ball?
Yeah,
Fist. Fist.
making fists and pumping them into the air.
Dan's going to the ball?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I didn't write this. My mother did.
Serena hopes to continue to live on the Upper East Side, devote her life to volunteering for
Upper. Upper.
Serena hopes to continue to live on the Upper East Side, devote her life to volunteering for
What's wrong?
I didn't write this. My mother did.
Serena hopes to continue to live on the Upper East Side, devote her life to volunteering for the Nature Conservancy and Junior League, and at
Devote. Devote.
life to volunteering for the Nature Conservancy and Junior League, and at
Supported by Richard North, hopes to major in neuroscience and will continue her family's legacy as supporters of the
Legacy. Legacy.
continue her family's legacy as supporters of the to major in neuroscience and will continue her family's legacy as supporters of the New York Public Library and Lincoln
Supporter. Supporter.
supporters of the New York Public Library and Lincoln She will continue to summer in Southampton and volunteer her time to children's charities.
Charity. Charity.
Volunteer her time to children's charities.
CC1.
She has a habit of doing that. But maybe it's for the best.
Habit. Habit.
A habit of doing that. But maybe it's for the best.
Oh, they ripped my dress.
Take him outside. Just get out of here.
No, you don't understand. It was custom made. My mom is gonna be angry.
Custom. Custom.
You don't understand. It was custom made. My mom is gonna be angry.
You don't really want that, do you?
It's not entirely true.
All you
Entirely. Entirely.
Not entirely true.
all you
But I know who she's become since she met you. She returns home every night at a reasonable hour.
Reasonable. Reasonable.
She returns home every night at a reasonable hour.
But I was able to clean it up. The chairs agreed to reissue your presentation statement.
Presentation. Presentation.
The chairs agreed to reissue your presentation statement.
The airport.
Airport. Airport.